Hello, my name is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you my daytime skincare routine and the products that I'm currently using and liking. First step is wash your face. I like to wash my face with water in the morning, cold water, to make sure I remove any oils from the night before. The next step is using a makeup remover. Especially under my eye, I tend to get some leftover makeup. So currently I'm using the Vichy One Step Cleansing Micellar Solution. This is a 3-in-1 product. So it's good for it's a cleansing water, soothing toner, and a eye makeup remover. So far, I find that it's very soft and gentle to your skin. This is designed for sensitive skin. So if you have somebody who has sensitive skin, this is very good for you. The only thing is that I have a hard time removing waterproof makeup for my eyes with this product. So it's not strong enough. It's enough. If you wear lots of waterproof mascara, I will recommend to get eye cream, eye makeup remover, which is oil based. The other product that I swear by and I really like is the Bioderma makeup remover micellar water. This is also for sensitive skin, and you don't need to rinse. It's paraffin free and hypoallergenic. So I find that this one here is stronger to remove waterproof makeup. So if you want to give it a try, this is a very good product. And this one so far is good. So I'm liking this too right now. So you have some options. After my face is clean, I like to use a serum. Right now, I'm be using this for about a month or so. This is the Vichy Mineral 89 serum. It really gives your skin that extra hydration it needs. If you wanna learn a little bit more about skincare products, check out my last video, which is the 12 products that you need to incorporate to your skincare. And the serums are very important. And for me, I like to use serums that give hydration. There are different kinds for anti-aging, for dryness, and the list goes on. But for me, I like to use something that's hydrating, especially during the winter time. And this is the first step that you do before applying your moisturizer. Okay, so keep it in mind. After my serum, I use a day cream. I really like this Mura Perfecting Day Cream, which has a SPF of 30. This is very good because it gives you hydration and also protects your skin from the sun. So this is a nice product to have. Or you can use any other moisturizer that has SPF on it for your daytime routine. If you want something stronger, what you could do is use a regular moisturizer and use after a sunscreen. The one that I really like is from La Roche-Posay. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it properly. La Roche-Posay. This is their sunscreen lotion, which has 60 SPF protection. I use this one during the summertime. This is my favorite sunscreen. Once your skin is moisturized, the next step that I use only during the winter month is using a face oil. I love the bio oil product. This one, I started using it about 3 years ago for when I was pregnant for stretch marks. But also it says here that it's good to an even skin tone, anti-aging skin, and dehydrated skin. My skin was super dehydrated, and since I started using this oil, I noticed a big difference. Also, my skin looks more even, and this is something true. When your hands get very dry, using this after your hand cream will help you keep that moisture in your skin. Also, your feet, when they get super dry, this product is amazing. So it's a multi-purpose product. It's good for your skin, for your face, it's good for your hands, for your body. So if you haven't tried, give it a try. It's a very, very good product. As I said, during the winter month, when it's cold and I don't want to wear makeup, I will apply my face cream, and after I will apply my oil to give my skin that glow during the day. Okay, if you are planning to wear foundation, skip that. Don't use it. Okay, and the last product that I like to use is something for my lips, a lip balm to give hydration to my lips. This one is from EOS. I think that's how you pronounce EOS. And so it comes like this. You just apply it, very easy to apply, and will keep your lips hydrated. This is basically all the products that I use for my daytime skincare. That they are simple, they're not a lot, but it will make a difference in your skin. I hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up if you're interested to know which are my top 12 skincare products. Check out my last video, and don't miss out my next video. Will be about my nighttime skincare routine. Bye.